we are now moving through our cardiovascular system. We are going to discuss the blood flow through the heart. So it may seem really overwhelming, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step, and we're going to discuss some of the body parts involved and the valves that you need to know, as well as veins and arteries. Now, I have here this little picture, okay? So we want to note that our blue is for the deoxygenated blood, whereas the red is going to be your oxygenated blood. So if you remember from taking anatomy, it starts on the right side, okay? So that's going to be the deoxygenated blood, and then your left side will be oxygenated. So we're going to walk through this step by step, and we'll review all the parts involved. So first off, we have our superior or inferior